I know this workout would be more helpful after Christmas or at the beginning of the new year, but it's never too soon to start and lose some weight. Today I prepared for you 5 minutes HIIT workout, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds rest, and it will consist of burpees, flutter kicks, in and outs, mountain climbers, and finish it off with again burpees. I am noob at HIIT workouts, really trust me, I did them like 2 years ago. It will be fun, join me and destroy ourselves together. Of course you can do the burpees, the easier variation without the push-up and without the jump. I will do the harder variation. Okay, that was bad idea. Okay, flutter kicks. Don't forget to breathe. Almost there, just 20 seconds left. Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. This is way harder than I thought. Okay, 10 seconds, now in and out. Three, 2, 1, and rest. Whew. I think that I will do the normal burpees after that. Whew. Mountain climbers.
You're not in a self-control. You're willing to risk it all. Willing to risk it all. And what's in your head is so lost in desire. And you never seem to know. You're not in a self-control, but you're willing to risk it all. No, no, no. But you're willing to risk it all.
And now the last exercise. I'm almost dead, but I will do it anyways. Let's go.
But you're willing to risk it all. No, no, no. self-control. Willing to risk it all. No, you're not in a self-control. Oh, you're willing to risk it all. Risk it all.
And we're done.